Welcome to Kejeka, your ultimate solution for seamless property management. From tenant management to property marketing, Kejeka is here to transform your real estate business. At Kejeka, we understand the complexities of managing properties, tenants, and payments. That's why we've developed a comprehensive platform that simplifies these tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. With Kejeka, managing tenants has never been easier. Our intuitive interface lets you add and update tenant information, track their payment history, and communicate seamlessly, all in one place. Say goodbye to payment headaches. Kejeka streamlines the entire payment process, from generating invoices to tracking payments and providing detailed financial reports. Tenants can easily pay their rent through our secure portal, ensuring timely and hassle-free transactions. Additionally, our system supports agents and landlords in receiving payments directly into any bank or SACO account, offering flexibility and convenience. Efficiently manage your properties with Kejeka. Our platform provides real-time updates on property status, helps you list and market vacant properties, and keeps track of maintenance requests, ensuring your properties are always in top condition. For lessors, Kejeka offers a dedicated portal where you can access detailed reports, monitor payments, and get insights into property performance. Stay informed and make data-driven decisions to maximize your returns. Your data security is our top priority. Kejeka uses advanced security measures to protect your information. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated support team is always ready to help you. Ready to transform your property management? Visit our website today and drop us a line, call us, or pop into our office for coffee. Join the growing community of property managers who trust Kejeka to streamline their operations. Kejeka, the future of property management.